Lo ngunyaka wesihlanu ubanjwa lo msitho wokuwongwa abo badlala indima kwaye banegalelo ekuphuhliseni ilizwekazi laseAfrika kunye noluhlu lwabantu abalikhulu abatshotshenhla kwihlabathi liphela. Lo msitho wasungulwa emva kwesigqibo sendibano yezizwe ezimanyeneyo esaphunyezwa ngo-2013.
It is not an award show, it is a recognition platform because the first pillar of the international decade, as declared by the UN General Assembly, is recognition. So we are recognizing the positive contributions of people of African descent. So for us, that's a clear distinction.
South Africa Broadcasting Corporation.
Umbhexeshi oyinhloko weNkqubo iFull View nguye owamkele iwonga.
To receive this accolade for the SABC in the Hall of Fame and to sit amongst other leaders in this country, like we heard, the mayor of New York and with Kenya. And, you know, last night I met the deputy president of Costa Rica. To exchange those type of relationships and for the South African broadcaster to be here is immense gratitude, and we feel so humbled.
Umsasazi welijelo uBongiwe Zwane ubhengezwe kuluhlu lwabantu abalikhulu nabaphala phambili kusasazo kunye nenkcubeko kwihlabathi.
It can't just be for me, it's for the team as well, but it means that when I go back home, what do I do for the young person in Africa, not only South Africa, in Africa, to ensure that they get to that level that they want to see themselves in. So it's not only about being an influential individual, but how do you use that influence to change the world? And I know we talk about changing the world, but what does that look like for an African child?
Ibibusuku obuhle nalapho bekuwongwa ompondo sihlanjiwe nabazalelwe kwilizwekazi iAfrika ngendima abayidlalayo kuphuhliso loluntu.